Now, with the Kerala elections just days away from now on Friday, the massive rift in the India bloc is clear between the left and the Congress. Rahul Gandhi and Pinarayi Vijayan have been targeting each other over and over again. And yet again today you have had Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan launching a scathing attack on Rahul Gandhi. The Kerala Chief Minister has in fact said that Rahul Gandhi has fled from North India to contest from the South and hasn't been taking on his main opponent of Narendra Modi. Remember, earlier too, there's been a war of words between the Kerala Chief Minister and Rahul Gandhi. Rahul had slammed Pinarayi Vijayan, questioning why the ED isn't probing Pinarayi Vijayan when it's investigating several other cases in Karnataka. Now, the Congress has claimed that the left and BJP are in cahoots in Kerala, and that's why are attacking Rahul Gandhi non-stop. Prime Minister Modi, in the meanwhile, referring to this ongoing feud between Pinarayi Vijayan and Rahul Gandhi, mocked the India bloc.
പ്രധാന എതിരാളിയെന്ന് അദ്ദേഹം അവകാശപ്പെടുന്ന നരേന്ദ്രമോദിയെയും സംഘപരിവാറിനെയും നേരിട്ട് എതിർക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുന്നു പോലുമില്ല. ഉത്തരേന്ത്യയിൽ നിന്ന് ഒളിച്ചോടിയാണ് വയനാട്ടിലെത്തി രണ്ടാം തവണയും രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധി മത്സരിക്കുന്നു. അപ്പൊ അദ്ദേഹത്തിൽ നിന്ന് ഇതിൽ പരം എന്താണ് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാനാവുന്നത്? ഈ തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പ് പ്രചാരണം തുടങ്ങുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ
Why is none of this happening to the Chief Minister of Kerala? Why is his membership not being taken away? Why is he not being interrogated by the ED, CBI and all these? Two Chief Ministers are in jail. How come none of this is happening to the Chief Minister of Kerala? I am 24/7 attacking the BJP. And the Chief Minister of Kerala is 24/7 attacking me. He says he is fighting ideological battle against the BJP. But I know the BJP, because when you fight ideological battle against the BJP, they attack you with everything they have.
उनके अलायंस के साथी भी एक दूसरे को गालियां दे रहे हैं. कल आपने उनके एक साथी केरल के मुख्यमंत्री ने जो शाहजादे को सुनाई है, मैं भी कभी ऐसी भाषा नहीं बोलता, वो ऐसी भाषा बोली है उन्होंने साथी को. ये हाल है उनका.